Do you struggle to cook healthy, delicious meals at home, or does making dinner feel like a chore? Be honest, because trust me, I've been there and it is not fun. When I first started eating plant-based, I had no idea what to do. All I knew was I wanted to eat healthier and feel better, but it was overwhelming, complicated, and so confusing. So many people struggle to cook in the kitchen. There's so many recipes, different ingredients, and no one wants to spend hours in the kitchen, especially if they don't know if the recipe's gonna turn out good. The Forks Over Knives Mastering Plant-Based Cooking course is designed to help transform you from hesitant home cook to confident plant-based chef. But this isn't just a bunch of recipes. It's about actually learning how to cook, so when you open your fridge, you'll know exactly what to do with what's inside. You'll learn knife skills, how to batch cook like a pro, and how to make food actually taste good with sauces and seasonings. And all of this is done without any meat, dairy, or oil. And you're going to learn how to reduce food waste, save time, and save money. Whether you're a pro or if you've never cooked a day in your life, this course will guide you through everything. We just launched and are getting so much positive feedback. People are loving the course and saying it has changed their life in the kitchen. They're actually excited to cook again. And no, you don't need any fancy, expensive equipment or hard to find ingredients. This course teaches you exactly how to cook with simple, whole food that you'll know and recognize. So if you've been wanting to learn how to cook healthier or if you've been feeling stuck in the kitchen, this course is for you.